John Boyd with the Homebuyers Agent. This video is from a 20-year-old home we helped a couple purchase that had a surprising number of electrical defects.
So Patrick Lyons buyer, but they're supposed to trip together. I believe if you get the book out on this switch, there's a piece missing that ties these all together. A stiff steel wire might suffice, but you got to go to the technical book on it. The next thing that's an error here is this wire is rated for 20 amp breaker. That's a 30 amp breaker. So this wire is 12 gauge and it's supposed to be a 20 amp breaker. Same thing down here. This wire is rated 12 gauge, rated for a 20 amp breaker. It's on a 30 amp breaker. Worse yet, this wire here, 14 gauge wire, is rated for a 15 amp breaker. It's a 30 amp breaker. So we have misfusings that need to be corrected at least 3 places. Let the electrician find if there's more of them. The other thing that's an interesting thing is how they bonded the panel. We assume somewhere this panel's tied to ground. So if voltage got to this, it wouldn't be hot. In other words, I don't mind there being power here, but I don't want this to have power to it. It does not right now. The way we do that is we put a green screw through one of these buses and it goes right into threads into the back of this panel back here. Or you put a little metal clip in underneath one of these screwed to the panel. I don't see that. So if this panel casing is bonded, it's just done, maybe done accidentally. An interesting oops here is to have a GFI on the panel, which is nice. This provides us a basement GFI, but it won't trip. So I hit my test button on this GFI. Hear that click? It doesn't go off. I hit the test button on the GFI itself. It clicks, it pops out. Listen, GFI tripped, but nothing happened. So this is a miswired GFI. The only thing that would be GFI'd on this is the load side of this device. They've switched the line and the loads. They've miswired this GFI. So that's a regular outlet now. It's not a ground fault circuit interrupter protected outlet. It's no safer than just a standard outlet.
So this video actually helped us negotiate a repair by an actual electrician.
GFI.